Basal metabolism. The three different types of energy that comes from metabolism is basal metabolism, dietary metabolism, and dietary thermogenesis. We will talk about all three of these. Basal metabolism is the energy that is used to support processes in the body which help primarily grow the body, keep the body healthy, repair tissues, and maintain tissues in the body. Basal metabolism is the energy that the body uses for breathing, the heart functioning, maintaining body temperature, and other functions in the body that sustain life. As we can see, the percentage of basal metabolic rate is divided up into a chart here. So as we can see, muscles take the most at 20%, liver follows behind at 19%, brain follows behind at 17% use of energy. Then it is digestion at 10%, heart at 8%, kidneys at 7%, fat at 3%, and everything else falls into the miscellaneous category.